We provide 3 modes of transferring video for a couple of reasons, and the main one is actually to allow for flexibility.
The benefits of having 3 different modes of video transfer is amazing for each department. Budgetary constraints, practicality.
A department might have already a wireless network there, or they might have no wireless network, or they might have different reasons why they can't do each one.
If they don't want anyone to have a hands-on touching the evidence, you can do a wireless transfer. The car pulls in range of the access point and can either immediately start transferring the video, or the officer can say, upload video now. Configurable by the department.
So the wireless upload, you know, the very little time it takes the officers to turn the system on and then to turn it off and hit the upload button, that helped us not only introduce the system, but then to get the officers behind it and say, yeah, I guess I want to play with this.
They can also pull into the parking lot and plug in for a wired transfer. They always have the removable hard drive. Some agencies use 1 with a backup plan. Some agencies use all 3. What fits the needs of the car and how much video are they recording? It makes a big impact.
We have several substations in the county. We have both wireless and we do some cradle uploads.
We want to make sure that agency can have all these options and they can customize to their needs so that there's no limitation.
Because one good safeguard that COBAN is built in for us, if an upload is interrupted, you don't lose anything. When you get back to a wireless signal, it'll pick up where you left off and you'll actually get the full video.
Checkpoint video transfer is our nickname for a smart resume. So what that means is when the officer ends up doing a wireless upload, if there's an emergency situation or something like that happens, or he has to leave the station, the next time he comes back, it will pick up where he left off, so it doesn't have to redo everything.
Throughout the shift, throughout the day, they can be uploading video, and at the end of their shift, have a minimal amount of video to actually have to upload.
At the end of our shift, all the officer has to do is hit an upload and shut down button. They don't have to wait by their unit. They don't have to make sure that it uploads.
I think one of the features and one of the things that I like about this solution is being able to push updates out to the vehicles out in the field. Whether there's an update or whether there's a configuration change, having the ability to manage that from one location has proven to be huge.
So I could literally sit at my desk, update the server, and then once the hard drives are checked in and then checked back out, it's updated to each unit individually.
The system administrator only needs to put our software update on the server, and then the server will automatically push the updates to the cars.
And not having to go from car to car to have to make those changes has just, again, it's streamlining operations.
That saves me hours and hours of work, and also just the process of getting the data back in-house is very foolproof.
We can deploy changes to multiple video mobile data terminals simultaneously.
When they start the car, it would automatically, anything that we want to add or update on the computer is done through that hard drive, and it just runs a little program and away it goes. It's all part of the COBAN back-end system.
Whether you're a 5-car agency or whether it's a 2,000-car agency, being able to make those and manage those changes from a single location has just helped these agencies become so much more efficient.
It makes my work a lot easier. It makes me look good, and let's put it that way.
It saves 8 to 10 hours for every update that we have to do in man hours.
So to be able to deploy those changes from one centralized server and being able to export those changes out to those mobile data terminals absolutely is a time saver for us, our IT staff, and the officers not having to have their cars down, to have them come into headquarters to have those changes made, and that has been a huge time saver for us.